This short tutorial will show you how to find a grammar at any library using the Library of Congress classification system. I'm going to start in the subject guide for linguistics. You can enter the URL directly or access the guide through Blackboard for any of your linguistics classes. In Blackboard, the guide will show if you click on the library resources from the navigation pane that shows on the left side of the screen. First off, grammars for different languages are not shelved together in the library. Nearly all grammars will be found on Level B of Rush-Reese Library, which is where the physical Class P resources can be found. Class P is the section for language and literature. Here in the subject guide, I have screenshots of some of the subclasses found within Class P, as well as the specific call numbers that are associated with subclass P. If you'd like to look more in depth at the call numbers and subclasses associated with Class P, you can click on the link provided. Below this section is a link to the Rush-Reese call number directory. If what you are looking for falls outside Class P, this is where you can determine which level you need to go to. The URL for the library is library.rochester.edu, or you can click on the link in this window. Go to Advanced Search and type in the language you are interested in on one line and the word grammar on the line below. Next to the word grammar, narrow the field you are searching in to subject terms. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and complete your search. From the results screen, you can see more information on a resource by clicking on the preview link. If this is a book you'd like to check out, you can click on the title, which will take you to another screen. From here, you can text yourself the call number. If the grammars you are finding do not seem to be adequate, you can modify your search to include the word phonology and/or search more broadly by removing the subject terms requirement. One last thing, when you are searching, you will find that many of the grammars the University of Rochester owns are on the older side. If you are looking for a grammar that is newer or for a language that we do not currently have, please email me and I will purchase a new resource.